Ki pat ba nong penon kami ketendong gas jing chat akatanong po. Giladap la kajing ki kuslay na mar kajing stang meduna kajing penpoi ye ketendong gas deg agensi baper. Haga ba haga step jo arpun ru tre uluber ar hajar arpun rio klamiru kajingania hapne ki pat ba kinong penya di gas agensi hamau tunom hajan nong po. Halor kini kajing jogi pat ba na kalian ke office deputy commissioner ke distrik Riboy Marmar lalu mi kajing lang hapne kinong penya di gas agency rengkat ke officer hakabla taru ya ke district LPG supply monitoring committee ban kami elo kajing penbiang ya ke gas bar kajing jogi kinong pen kam ya ke gas chat. Habakran bagi nong tho kubor deputy commissioner Abilash Baranwal udah penpau bahadian kejinglong jengman na kania ke balakta ha ke bedai bat kejing penbiang ya kitendong gas. Lailong bagi pat ba kem dai ben kuslai. Nama kejing shalan kadang biang bat bagi pat ba ken apkat kum kipali bagi labok ya kitendong gas. Ulai tu ru bahalor kani kejing kipat ba na kaliang sarkar kelabat hak bantau ke komiti ke bekerpang ban kemi kejing penbiang ya ke gas. Baru kejing penunkam jeng kipat ba. Kumjo ru ban pet ya kejing penpoi gas ni company ke kejing penbiang ya kitendong gas. Ulang ru baleng bang ni ke komiti anlum ya katup jeng itu giba penunkam ya ke commercial gas ban pentikna bamakiru kin yo ela ke bahak. Baru ulang ru bagi pat ba ken haban bot ki kendon jeng sarkar dak ke babuk ya gas kat kum gipor balabatai. Hakatan bat kapor booking kan long arpusan sngi bat syakitan ki bakam kan dong pat kan long sapusan sngi bat kerpat ugi pat ba bakim dei ban kuslai nama kaliang sarkar jelahi kadang elek ban penbiang ya kejing don kam. Halo kejing balamat di gas agency na kaliang utrai ke Riboy gas agency ba Victor Max Renja uli tho bakum ki agency kalamat jeng ban penbiang ya kitendong gas namar kejing duna jo ka gas ndai ulong bagi pat ba kem dai ban kuslai nama kaliang ki company ki baju penpoi gas kila ular ban penpoi ha kapor ke babiang. Ula penpau ru bakum ki agency kadai tangga ba penpoi ki gas bat ken haban kemi lentin ki company ki baju penpoi. Kum tal kerpat ki pat ba bakem dai ban kenyum ne bo jing sier wat iki nong net sam gas la ne ki kena ki balik penpoi. Ya ki tendong gas nama ki jengkul mar jengmut ki pat ba nong pendon kam. Na kaliang kesenjok kirang basnong ke distrik Riboy lengba uba bibi makdo ula penpau ke jing sokya lo ke jing mar jeng ya kipat ba aga bede ba ke jing penbiang ya ke gas kumta ula kerpa di bor sarkar bacim kya mardor halo ke jing duna jing tendong gas bat ban penbiang kat kum kapor ke badai
company ngiyo kataka assurance pa tamdan da kataka jing duna stock tabakan di depan India problem pi pamdi tangan yang kalian ingin yang notice ni te ke company hi kaile ka bala ben bahkan sabtang yang kani ka mari ban reach mon nam sa project di pagba takaraw ni imdan na kata jing duna stock tamalong no kani ka jing stock jungi mata ni hari bhai tamtam halo ngiyo lai hajat li ka booking kaduna pi ka jing yo jungi taraw ka iduna kan men supply te nadu men Friday ro kamyo te ngirang syom tasni te gidan du lai hajat booking te atau teklak duna mungkin supaya berkala hajat tahi teman om duna tengi yo assurance untuk ini apa kemudian apa di duna
oh kemudian mana lagi kumba tega ka hukum polisi
gas ka kumba ngai pi men Friday yo men Saturday yo las dan mentakasi nadu Friday nadu men Saturday nang issue am tasi meaning by this whole week yo tam tasi kata ro ka poitang arteli ka tok te ajar ko beri booking ka teo ka dunai ka pun pa customer base jang aro gidi buan gidi kinang gidi PMU ai gini kala pemi ka to protocol berkemai ba kini ki ba yo dang sio gas mata ki yo ban adin 45 days ki yo gas ben ya asam jenjar kini kata ro 45 days ka simpori ki begini yo gas ben begini yo ban refill ben kini protokol mata ro kala asam jenjar hingi bangin supply pet baru jadi macam time ya tan mi meeting ba DC supply department berka company lo haju ko komunitas ni lo kada bejir ngidan meeting tentang ni LPG crisis ngidan menta kadang baki pat ba kin yo kan ketuka kam tami hami kali ajengi no Riboy jengi mungkin lebih sufficient stock ma mungkin lebih supply pat ba ka sai ka jengi ta ni ditang supply esok na te na kalian jungi dekat ditang masuk upload pe ki heki han ke du mau menyerap ini bangin yo penting ba mau menginok spokesperson jungi public ya tai min jungi teman ta na ka jungi indan jungi ke ding order jungi ding indan ben yo order ben maksi
Te
Kini ka hukum supply chain jongi ke mental pendapat labun mas poi tro ki pat ba kreatif lawan pe ha ground jongi kita jongi la denja ban mina ground no te ka ba apa ka de ka panic booking jongi brio te ka turu ka wan pen jenja jongi haban print not kani ka receipt te bun sin ngi check pat gidi itu bila labio gas te atoma sistem jongi pat ngi ha pani jelo bayaki te gitu gibreu gidi ban yo kimyo su kalau mata tanah ada gibreu di panik ya kalau kilang panik booking ya nyele ka ban lahi ban tusu na kaliang jongi doni ka awareness pan omba wajib saya ka gas pan poi pet na ni te ban man bu gas ni bu na ba ipai ba hidon kam so ngiru ka de business jongi ngin subu untuk dan kimo agency ban hot i kum turu nam tip kita mengipat nyele ban ai be ipai ba masan penting yang bayaki nambah ngim kwa ka ba tam ba set ketiu kam tam ni kena school bikilet school i kam tam ini for exam di college na school i tai sai dung sa koweru long keting edungi long kani ki kamu mostly ngan sungai pi kani booking ni ba pensaing ta
jing edei bakane ka don sisa ka jing song khaya ka bajor na kalyang jongi ki nongelam snong bat nagaliang ki nong song snong jong kari boy hi brokwe markum bangi i ka statement ka minister la ai managini ki singi i wong ba kanam don kano ka jing kerdo ya ki gas dan rai kum bagalong pat menta ba ki pat ba jong kadong ri boy kamtam ngia yang lain ro ngimyo upli boyang na do monstek ro ngimyo ki ong ba kam don ka supply te ha ei kata ka jing kular jong minister ba ong ba don jing kerdo gas namar ki baboni haribo district menta hakleng gi jaka lapon slor ban thangkas marngim kwa su ban thang de gideng khamtam ma ka sor nong po le ngi i ba gi babon ki penang kam ne ka kaslenda andre ka jingkular jong minister ka sulong tang ka jingkran labla ka baklem don nong re mi ei te ne ka port ba menta na galiang kasenjuk rang bas nong riboy district ngida kentujur ya ka sorkar bakam dei ban chupenlong kam kai ka jing dei bakani ban chukular thok yangi ki pajba marwat penjenja yangi lada don ong bai don lada don ro ong bai don kang mengintip ya ka ba kumno ban penkre de gwe ki lat kelenti rei kum bagalong menta te ngidap sisa ta jing isne ki pajba namar yang lan klam yo ka gas ki ong bom don supply ka jing kran jong minsta ka dei ka bathok ka dei ka bakla kam don jing dei ei kumba ukular ba ong ba on don jing kerdo Henry kadang don penban sibon ke jing kerdo ag jing edai batki selenda.
We understand because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation and as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee, and we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agency is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms though have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first served basis, so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone, so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. The shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met, and it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in. That is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.